Namaste.
Namaste. Welcome to Ameya Online. In today's video, we'll be showcasing Ikkat cotton saris. To block any of these saris, please take a screenshot and send it to 9845996886. Please follow us on Facebook and Instagram. We are Ameya Online. Please check us out there. Also subscribe to our channel on YouTube for more updates in the future. So what you can see on her is sari number 1. It's a beautiful Ikkat cotton sari. It's a pure handloom sari. It's got temple borders on both the sides and Ganga Jamuna borders with red and
Black.
blue,
Blue, yeah.
navy blue. Yeah. So it's got these two borders and this temple border. And it's also got
So,
lines over the entire body of the sari. So that's the sari, and that will be your pallu. Yeah. So this is sari number 1, priced at 2,499. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to us. These saris are handloom saris and they don't come with blouse, so the sari hasn't got a blouse. The sari number 2, it's a off-white kind of a color with the red borders on both the sides. It's got this small beautiful zari woven borders and a small temple borders on both the sides. And the entire body features this beautiful small buttas like that, like you can see. So that, and it's got a very bright red pallu like that. So the sari hasn't got a blouse, and it's sari number 2, priced at 22.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to 9845996886. Sari number 3 is a white sari
temple borders on either side.
with beautiful red floral borders on both the sides, and it's got like big temple borders also on both the sides. It's a plain body. The entire body is left plain, and that's the sari. And the pallu looks like that. It's a red pallu with beautiful floral patterns all over the pallu. This pure handloom sari doesn't come with a blouse, and this is sari number 3, priced at 19.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to 9845996886. This sari number 4. It's a off-white kind of a sari with the red borders on both the sides. It's got beautiful small temple borders again on both the sides, and it's got a different kind of stripes all over the body of the sari like that. So that's the sari, and that will be the pallu. Got beautiful Ikkat floral patterns all over the pallu, and this is sari number 4, priced at 2499. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to 9845996886. To block any of the saris in this video, please take a screenshot and send it to us. Please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. We are Ameya Online on Facebook and Insta. Please try and subscribe to our channel for more updates in the future. We have a store in Sharat City Capital Mall, Hyderabad. Do take time to visit our store. And thank you. Happy shopping.